Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan HTML and CSS series started and sorry I will not start the CSS series. Okay, so it is my beginner class. Then my beginner class is done. We can start the intermediate class like we start the e-commerce websites. Intermediate class is bigger like personal portfolio, or website. Many things we can start it, and it is my beginner class, and I hope you can enjoy this class and this series. And you enjoy, please like my video and share your friends and subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video what I will building for you. And this class we can building how to build the CSS creative menu hover effect using only HTML and CSS. So I will see what it is CSS creative menu hover effect. So I will not take a long time. So let's start the video. Now I will tell you we will building that CSS creative menu hover effect text animation of Happy New Year 2022 and Happy New Year. Okay, so here Happy New Year, Happy New Year 2022. We will building CSS creative menu hover effect in HTML CSS. We are building that, and it is my HTML CSS series. I will tell you in my introduction. Okay. So sorry, my CSS is not come. So HTML CSS is starting. So here you can start it. So here you see happy is blue color, pink color, new, yellow, year, green, and 2022. Happy New Year. Okay. So I will building that for you. So first of all, I will minimize it and open it. Choose another app and I go down, erase, save. So erase them from here, erase them. So first of all we can erase it, erase, save, and open with, choose another app, and we can open with Sublime Text Editor. So first of all I will open with Sublime Text Editor. So here first of all here we can go and here we can write HTML, and now here we can write CSS creative menu hover effects. So till I'm done. So now here you can write UL, enter, and here you can write LI, and now here you can write style. Okay. Style should be a / CLR, and you can give your own color. I will give my color hashtag 00ADE1. Okay. Now here we can enter press. Here we can write href, enter, hashtag, and here we can write data text, and here we can write here we can write and BSP, and here we can write happy, and now done. So now here we can write NV, and here we can write and option, and here we can NBSP, and here we can write like hi happy, and here we can write then another time NBSP, and then that also. So till I'm done, so copy it, paste it, and here you can go here, and my coding site is bigger. I will tell you in my many classes. So my coding site is bigger, and here that site is smaller. So now I will paste it, and here we can first of all change the color code FF6X493. Save, refresh. So here happy it is come FF6493. Okay, till I'm done. So now here till I'm done. So here you can write new and new. Then enter, then paste. Then here you can add this color, and here you can FFDD1C. and here we can write year, and here we can also write year. Then here we can go, and here we can write 0, D, and C, A2, and here we can erase it, and 2023 here we can write, and here we can erase this, and the 2023. So then save, then refresh. So here you can see it is my Telegram algorithm. So I will go to my style.css file because we will be building on HTML here. So I will go to my style.css file, and now here we can write first of all margin. It is my starting code, okay, and 0. Padding should be also 0. Box sizing, border box, okay. Font family, Poppins, comma, sans serif, enter, body should be display, should be flex, justify content should be center, align items, center, min height should be 100 VH, and background, hashtag 252839, okay, and you can give any color of your background. And the position should be relative, display should be flex, flex direction, column, gap 30 pixels, enter, ULLI, position should be relative, left style should be none, enter. And now Telegram work is done. So now here we can write enter. ULLI should be A. Here we can write position, relative, font size 4 EM, text decoration should be none, line height 1 EM, letter spacing 1 EM, 1 EM nahi. 2 pixels, text transform, uppercase, enter, color, transparent, minus, webpage, minus text, minus stroke, 1 pixel, rakwa, 255, 255, 255, 0.5, and here we can enter, press enter, ULLI should be A, should be before, content, ALR, and here we can write data text, and erase it, ATTR, and here we can enter, press position, absolute, save, refresh, so it is not coming, so I will first of all link it, save, refresh. So here you can see it, till my work is done. So now enter, press, color should be var / CLR, width should be 0, overflow should be hidden, transition 1 second, border right 8 pixels, solid var / CLR, enter, minus webkit, minus text / stroke 1 pixels, var CLR, enter, ULLI A, and here we can write before, width 100%, filter, drop shadow 0, 25 pixels, var CLR. And now Telegram is done, then save, then refresh. So here we can see it is built, but this font is not like good. So I will write the font code. So I will go up. So I have not link of font, so I will write it. Okay, I go here, and here we can write import URL at https for https and here you can write fonts.googleappy.com /css2 and question mark, then family shall be Poppins and here we can write WG HT and here we can write @ rate and here we can write @ should be #00 should be my IC. So I will go here and here we can go here and now here I will see. Here we can write it 700 and here you can write and display should be /swap save refresh. It is telling me it is done, so but it is not like good. Google Appies here we can enter and here googleappy.com. So here we can then save, then refresh. So here you can see it easily. I will build my CSS creative menu hover effect of 2023. Happy New Year 2023. So Happy New Year is coming only in 3 days, 2 days. Okay, 2 days, 3 days left in Happy New Year. So Happy New Year 2023. Here you can see. So I will build that for you, and I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy. Please like my video, and you can enjoy HTML CSS series. It is my first class. Then I will go to a beginner. This is my beginner's class. Then I will go to the intermediate means and website, personal portfolio in HTML CSS. Big video. It is a beginner's level video. So I hope you guys. I start to in basics. Okay. So I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy. Like my video. Share your friends and subscribe to my channel. So I will not take you a long time. So for today, good. And I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.